I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the Google account you'll use. Once done, make sure device location and background location permissions are enabled so sharing stays accurate. This avoids dropped updates. Next, tap the profile icon, then location sharing. That gets you to the actual sharing UI. Have the person's contact or Google email ready because you'll pick them next. This speeds the process and prevents needing to leave the flow to search for details. Now choose who sees your location. You can select a saved Google contact or generate a shareable link. Pick the contact for private sharing or the link for broader access. Next, set a duration, pick a specific time window, or choose until you turn off if you want persistent sharing. Also adjust precision. Precise location for meeting, approximate for privacy. This combination controls access and exposure, so think about safety and battery impact before you confirm. Finally, confirm by tapping Share and watch for the active sharing indicator in Maps so you know it's working. To stop or adjust, return to location sharing, select the person or link and tap Stop or Edit. This gives you instant control. If it fails, first enable Wi-Fi or mobile data, then clear the Maps cache and reauthorize location permissions. That usually fixes stale states. If problems persist, sign out and back in. That refresh often restores proper sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.